Let's do it. Portal day, baby. 2026. Headed back to the portal. It has been 1 year to the day, today, that I discovered the portal. So I felt it only appropriate. I hiked back out here. Heard something. Feel it only appropriate that I hike back out here. And honestly, you guys, it's been a crazy year. Went through a lot, and I am ready to walk through this portal today. No cap. Let's go. Looks like they didn't repair the fence. There's still the break in the fence right here. I'm pretty sure it's this right here. Here we go. We're heading off the trail towards the portal. That massive down tree is still there. Look at that. Probably something living in that shit over there. Well, this is not the portal, but this tree looks crazy. All right. In order to locate it, I know that I can basically hike down to where it kind of drops off, starts heading down into a canyon, and then kind of hike along that ridge right there. And that is how I stumbled across it the first time. All right. Made it out about 3/4 of a mile as to where it drops off here. Let me show you. As you can see right here, it's mostly BLM land out there. So very remote, not many people, and mountain portals. All right, you guys, we are meandering now. We are meandering now. It's confusing because, see, this looks interesting right here, you know, but that's not it. If you guys remember, the branches were growing outward. So all right. Okay, let's head down here a little bit, right along the edge. Hold on a second. This looks familiar. This is looking familiar. I think I recognize this log. Oh my God. Still here. Okay, guys. Today is Friday, April 17th. And today is the 1 year anniversary to the day that I discovered what you see behind me here, the mountain portal. And I figured probably no better way to spend this time, since so many of you were disappointed I didn't actually walk through the portal. I wanted to come back on the 1 year anniversary on the day and deliver on my promise and walk through the portal for you guys. Without further ado, I guess. Here goes. To my wife, I love you. It's been amazing. Keep squatching on, guys. Keep looking for Bigfoot. There's some really weird stuff going on in the woods. Portals, Bigfoot, Dogman. Feel something. Shortness of breath as I get closer. Definitely feel something. Oh yeah. I'm through the threshold. Very dizzy. Oh. We made it. Can you guys see me? I see the camera. Incredibly dizzy. Motion sickness. I'm very prone to motion sickness. I know exactly what it feels like. Hi. All right. I'm gonna come back. Oh. I feel it. I feel it. I feel dizzy. I'm okay. I think. I'm through. I'm through. Walked through something. The stomach. How do I look? Because I feel like shit. I feel motion sick. I guess I know the feeling. But we survived. As far as I know. Can you guys even see me? I'm like not even here. Thanks for watching. I'm Josh with the Bigfoot Files. Squatch on. Squatch on.